Yeah, welcome once again. On this post, we are going to start from the top here and then talk as we go down. But the first thing that I would like to do is how to actually work on the design of our website. Okay, work on the design of our website. So we all know that this is how our website looks like. Let's leave it to load. We are working on a design, so this is how our website looks like. But in all, if you look at it, this is not very interesting. To me, it doesn't look nice. Okay. So what we have to do is to find a new theme. It's like a new house for this website. So this is what we are going to do. So first we go to the website and we go to appearance. Okay. Under the appearance, you find customize. This is where you are going to customize the website. Okay, the parts and all those things. This is the widget. How you can set up the widget. Okay, add certain widgets and all those things. This is the menus. You're going to add menus at the top, down, or wherever you want to. This is the background. What you want to put at the background of your website. Then this is the theme editor. In case you have issue with the theme, how you can edit it. Okay, but I would like that we go to themes. Mostly, there are many themes you can find here. A lot of themes that you can use. You can see from here. Whenever you click or activate this, okay, it's going to take whatever you see here. Okay, and these are just ordinary themes. Whenever you go down, WordPress will show you, okay, other themes. Okay, but what you need to do is that, okay, you can add new themes here. And adding new themes here means that either you can upload a theme to this place, or you are going to actually purchase a theme, or you are going to add new free themes. Okay, so let's check it out. We are going to add a new theme here so that you can see. You can see from here that we have the featured one, popular, latest, favorites, and all these things. So these are all different kind of terms that you can actually upload to your to your WordPress site so that you can use it. Okay, these are all terms. Let's give it to load. So you can see from here that we have different terms. Okay, that's actually what I wanted to show you. You can see. So if in case you want to write or you want to blog about mobile phones, you want to create a website about reviews for phones, you can choose this app. Okay, this term, you can see this is a news magazine power, which is also a nice term you can use for your blogging as well. When I come here, viable, fame, okay, it's also nice. Okay, you can see this is Envo multi-purpose. We have a lot. Whenever you go to popular, okay, yes, let's leave it to also load. Okay, so from here you can also see the most popular ones. Okay, the most popular ones also here, and there are terms that you can use for all your works. Okay, most popular. So you can go to your WordPress. If you've installed it, you have the latest, the favorite, they all host. But most of the times you have to actually go out there and look for the term yourself. Okay, you have to look for a term yourself. So even in the description part of the video, I'm going to add website links to certain websites where you can get some of these terms for a cool price, some even for free. Okay, you go there, you choose the term that you want. But whenever you are choosing a term, the most important is it should be SEO friendly. It must be able to adapt to both mobile and tablets, and you see, a term that should be able to adapt to it. Certain terms don't. So whenever you get there, all that you need to do is to check it out if they have that. Is it SEO friendly? Okay, it means that whenever you do a search on Google, does it shows up easily? That is one. Number two, is it mobile, tablet, and mobile phones, other mobile phones, so phones, tablets, laptops, is it much friendly with them? Okay, is it friendly with them? Why would you buy a term that can show up on mobile phones? Because nowadays people are using their phones for research and all these things. So if your term cannot show up, it can show up on mobile phones, then you have a problem. Because just few people are using laptops and all those things now. Okay, for laptops, I think we have quite a number of people, but for the computers, I'm not saying no at all, but it's going down because of phones, new kinds of inventions, technology, and all those stuff. So you need to have a kind of term that can easily show up on them. Okay, easy to adapt to. So it's great. It's great that way. Okay. So in the description part you'll find links to certain websites. Okay, that I will link there. They are my little secret. Okay, they're my little secret to having quality terms. You can go there and check it. Okay. So let's say that I want one of these. I will just want to install one. Okay, let me go back to the featured. Most of the time, the featured one are for sale. They normally sell them, so you won't get it for free. Okay, they are featured for sale. But let me check it here. If you can find something great here too. This is 2017, which I don't like. Okay, let me see Envoy Storefront. This is when you want to install a shop. Okay, yes, this is a shop. If you want to sell some specific product, you can start from there. And then what again? Okay, this is news app, which is also good. Okay, for a blog. This is also good for a blog. Okay, you can see we have the header. You can see here, also good. Yeah, this is magazine power. You have the header and all those stuff here. It's also good. So let me start this one and see. So you just click on install. Then we wait for it to install. After installing, you know what to do. So let's wait for it. I think it's installed. Then we are going to activate. We are going to activate. Either you do the activation here, or you go back into your template and then do the activation. Okay. So you can see that the new term activated. Now let's visit the site to see. So you can have multiple terms here, and you can just be coming back to some of them if you want. Yes. But most of the time, whenever you change the term, certain things change on the website. So you have to work out, pick up a nice one, and then you build your term, your website on it, and you are ready to go. Now that it is activated, you can decide. So you see how the site looks like. Okay. Yes. Now you see that I have my latest news here. I have the date here. Okay. Here I can even set up a header here. I have my home. I can add some other pages here. This is the search bar. Then when I start publishing my articles, they will start showing up here. Okay, so you can see it is so nice. Okay, yes. But maybe because I haven't added anything here, that is why you haven't seen it well. But when we start publishing things up, you will see how great it is. So I will decide to take the sample page off and a lot more when we get there. Okay, so it's not showing that old website, but you can see that the term has changed to this new one. You see, yes. Now we'll get back to where we were, and then we'll do different things at the same time. But before we set everything up, now that we set a different term, okay, I am going to focus on here. The next one here is to customize it. We are going to customize this web page so that it will look nice, clean. Okay, yes. The customization, you will understand it well with customization instead of going to widget and all those things and changing stuff. Here you will understand it better. So customization is changing actually certain things on it. And whenever you come here, you can see Magazine Power Pro, buy Pro. Okay, this is actually, I think it's another version. So they want you to buy the Pro. Okay, this, you see it's nice and you want to. So this small pencils here is to change certain things here. For example, if I want to change the blog mode, you want to write something else, I just need to click on it, change them. Okay, and when it comes here, this is the search. If I want to change it, you can see. So what is the title I want to give to it? Okay, but I don't want people to see. You see, so I'll just click done, reset. Then a recent post. Here it's asking you if how many you want to show as recent post. So you can say something like 6. See, click on your done. Always, I don't like adding titles. Okay, so recent comments, recent post, recent comments, and all these things. So now for this, I can go back. I have the primary sidebar and header right widget area. So this is the primary sidebar, which is this place. Okay, the primary sidebar. So you want to add a widget here to appear in your primary sidebar. You can add something here. So whenever people do the search, they just see. They go to your website, they can see it here. So we have the search, we have the recent post, we have the recent comment. Okay. When I come here, I can decide to remove the comment, but it's not much necessary. Okay. Then click here to add a widget. What do you want to show by the side there? An archive, an audio, calendar, categories. Yeah, sometimes I like the categories because it's easy for people to look through the categories, click on what they want to learn more on, and then you see. So they are asking display as drop down, show post count, which is good. You see. So show the post count, show hierarchy, display as drop down. No, I want it this way. So I'm done. You can see it. The categories will start showing here. Now let's add other widget. You want the place to be nice. This custom HTML, if I decide to add, let's say, Google AdSense to it, if I want to make money with it, I can add Google AdSense to it, and I need to show it in HTML. Okay, so anywhere you want to play it out, you can use the HTML to show your ads and make money from it as well. But for the meantime, anytime I want, I'll come and set it up. So this is not needed for now. Okay, certain thing I want to show. Okay, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. Here, video. Well, whenever you get to the widget, you will find more over there. This is just to show you that you can add more things to your website, okay, and then make it great. You understand? So somehow this is what we can do. We only have some few seconds, and I will end here with this video. Okay, I'll end here with this video. But our next video will talk much about certain things that you need to do to set up your website. Thank you for staying. Thank you for actually watching this. Okay, we are going to meet in our next video. If not subscribe, comment, like it, and then boom. So thanks, and let's meet in the next video.